Right, so I'm here at the... Excuse-moi, thank you very much. Sorry. We are here at the Millennium Millennium Hotel Gloucester Road.
I thought I couldn't pronounce it, but she can't either.
Millennium Hotel Gloucester Road, and we're here to look at the premises because...
Did you notice that she put on a posh accent?
As you know, we're putting on an event on the 24th and the 25th of September. Can't see Ava.
Oh, my
and you
face
know
is
she's
so
got to be in it. She's got to be in it. My parents say,
like
egg in her
salt.
head. Mm-hmm. Okay, so we're here to look at, and now we've decided, yes, this is the room that we're going to book for Sunday the 25th.
We have booked.
Okay, we've booked it. We just needed to look at it,
we
and
like
if we
this
didn't look at it, we would have said no. Okay, so we've looked at a few others
Hi,
as well.
V.
Hi V, how are you? Thanks for joining us.
We're in opulence and luxury.
So, it's a quick look at the room.
Oh my God, she just left me.
Quick.
She just left me. Oh my God, you silly thing. Guys, this is how. So for those of us who are not going to be here, you better hurry up and get your ticket. Can you see that? It's actual luxury and opulence. This is the room that I know, I told her she looks good. This is the room that my floating lotus friend over there is going to be speaking in. Hi, Jenny. And this is where we're going to have the multimillionaire masterclass. Now, guys, you have to understand that this is not an event for everybody. If you're afraid of talking about...
If you don't want to become rich, if you don't want to become wealthy, if you don't want to know anything about money, and you just want to live a mediocre life, that's cool. We've got no problem with that. But
guess what? If you want to live the life of your dreams, live on your own terms, if money doesn't bother you, it's a very dignified conversation, then this is the place to be on the 25th of September, when we have people like Joseph McClendon, Eric Thomas, just to name a few, your one and only Ava Eagle Brown, no, Dr. Ava Eagle Brown, and Sonia Polian are going to be in the house. Now, at the back of the room, my beautiful daughter, who I love very much, hiding under the shades, as she does. And, you know, she's part of the business. I'm trying to train her really early that when my legacy is left, then she knows how to manage my empire. On a very different note, though, if you are wanting to make a lot of money, are you laughing? Then this is the place. Hi, Rose. Hey, Joshua. This is the place to be on the 25th of September. Dr. Eric Thomas is going to be in the house. Sonia Polian, Ava Eagle Brown, Mac Akram, among many other millionaires. And you have got to be here because guess what? The time for mediocre is over. There is no more living in the I can't, I would, I should. It's time to step up your game. It's time to understand that there is abundance and greatness in the world for you. And the place to be on the 25th of September is here. So go to www.multimillionairemasterclass.com right now and get your early bird tickets. Now, it expires in exactly 13 days. So if you want to be here amongst intimate millionaires, having a private conversation, understanding how to up your game, no shenanigans, this is the place to be. It's Ava Eagle Brown saying, I'm going to hand you over to Sonia, who will tell you about the 24th, because we are in the game to raise standards, and that's what we're doing. Over to you, Sonia.
So, just for clarity, the early bird tickets finishes on the 31st of August 2016. Okay, all right. So, just a slight little error there, but that's cool. But we don't want you to think that the tickets are expiring on the 25th. Okay, so Saturday the 24th, right? You know, Eric's going to be in town. It's going to be a big deal, and we want you to be there. Now, at the moment, tickets are going for £35. They can't get any cheaper than that, and we're going to close that deal soon, okay? So, yeah, very soon. I'm not telling you when. So if you haven't had your tickets, if your friends haven't got their tickets, your aunties, your uncles, if you're an entrepreneur, if your baby brother, sister,
you can breathe.
If you, your grandmother, if they haven't had their tickets,
walking stick and all,
please do go to ericthomaslondon.uk. That's www.ericthomaslondon.uk.
Now hear this, guys. You buy Gap, you buy Louis Vuitton, Prada, you buy Primark, New Look, every other thing. Now, those things add nothing to you, essentially.
They perish.
They perish. But when you invest in yourself, that is the best investment ever. And here's the thing. I was homeless. I ate out of garbage bin. As Eric would say, he ate out of garbage bin. I wore barefoot. I was homeless. I failed maths. I failed English. I'm the girl who shouldn't be standing here today. So if I invested in myself and shifted my mind, Sonia was left with 4 children. Come on, Sonia, tell them about that and how you shifted your life. So what is your excuse? Do you have one? Do you want to be stuck here 2017, living the same mediocre life? If you want to do that, that's fine. Stay there. But if you don't, go to the website now. Simple.
Now, listen, there's a lot of people out there who really do want change. They want change badly. But how badly do you want that change? The only way change is going to happen is if you change that game. You have to be a game changer, else you're going to live the same. If you do nothing, nothing's going to happen. And if you do the same thing that you're doing now, you're going to have exactly the same experience. So, game changers, change the game. I'm gone. I'm out of here. Bye, Ava.
Bye.